Well, this is what Jim's been working on today. He's got some boards and he's got some lines up and he's getting prepped for digging out the foundation for his barn. We've gotten quotes all the way from $6,800 up to $15,000, so he's going to do as much as this as he can so that the upfront cost is going to be just for the concrete pour and labor, and everything else will be prepped before he gets here. And then today we're working on creating a flower bed along the front of the fence, along the driveway. Essentially, he's been chopping down trees to clear out the land, and he took some of the wider, thicker logs that he cut and cut them all to length so I could have like a flower bed outline. Then we had some mulch, and before we put the mulch down, we laid some hardware cloth, which is 1/4 inch. And the reason for that is if we didn't put it down and we planted a whole bunch of bulbs and tubers and plants, the last thing we want is for the moles and voles and other little critters to be digging up from underground and eating them. So this is going to help protect the bulbs that I'm going to be planting. So far I've got some daffodil bulbs and I've got some other flower seeds and everything, but my goal is to put some perennials in this flower bed along the driveway. And then once we finish filling this one up, we're going to start and put the same thing along the length of this fence. So when you drive in to Two Dogs Barking at the Moon, you'll be greeted in the summer with some absolutely stunning color. So I'm excited. We're getting there. The barn's coming along slowly, but it's surely getting here. And worst case scenario, if we have to put a mortgage on the house, we could do that too. I'm so excited. We're getting there. Woohoo!